To join a group, go to the Groups tab. Then click on My Groups. Next, click on Join Group. Paste in the code that you were provided by the group admin and click Join. Now that you've joined the group, let's go to it. Go to the Groups tab and select the group. Go to Resources on the left side. The content you see here is shared by other members of the group. To share your content here with the other members, simply click on Add Resources and choose the type of content you'd like to share. To add the content to one of your courses, simply click on the gear icon on the right, then choose Add to Course. Now select the course where you want to copy the content. Choose the folder if you want. Finally, click on the Add button and it's done. You can also save it to your Resources tab. Click on the gear icon again, and this time select Copy to. Choose the collection. Click Copy. That's all.